If you're wondering about the benefits of rolling over your 401k into an IRA for better growth, you're in the right place. Many Americans are unaware of how much more control they can have over their retirement savings simply by making this move. By rolling over your 401k into an IRA, you unlock opportunities to grow your wealth more efficiently. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll show you exactly why this could be the right step for you. But before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked in the description below. It's a game changer for high net worth individuals like you, especially if you have more than 100k in your 401k or IRA, or even if you have upwards of $5 million in savings. Just click the link and I'll walk you through how thousands of Americans are securing their wealth with gold IRAs. Now let's get into it. One of the most obvious advantages of rolling over your 401k into an IRA is that you gain much greater investment flexibility. In a 401k, your investment choices are usually limited to a pre-selected set of mutual funds. With an IRA, you can choose from a broader range of options, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and precious metals like gold. This means you can tailor your portfolio to your specific needs, especially if you're looking to protect against inflation or market volatility. Another key benefit is the control you gain over your retirement funds. When your money is in a 401k, you're tied to your employer's plan, and you have limited options for moving funds if you change jobs or retire. By rolling over into an IRA, you get full control, which is crucial for ensuring your retirement savings are always aligned with your goals. You also get more favorable tax treatment. Both IRAs and 401ks offer tax-deferred growth, but with an IRA, you have more opportunities for tax savings, especially if you opt for a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA, for example, allows your funds to grow tax-free, which can be a huge advantage if you're planning to leave your money to heirs or want to avoid taxes on your retirement funds later in life. Compare that to a traditional 401k, where you'll pay taxes on withdrawals during retirement. But here's the thing. If you're really serious about growing your wealth in retirement, gold IRAs are where you should be looking. A gold IRA allows you to diversify your portfolio with physical gold, which has historically outperformed other assets during periods of economic uncertainty. For American retirees with substantial savings, a gold IRA can offer an extra layer of protection against inflation and market crashes. Think about it. While the stock market has its ups and downs, gold tends to hold its value over time. So, for retirees with significant savings, protecting wealth with gold is often a more secure option than relying solely on stocks or bonds. It's not about fear. It's about making sure your retirement funds are positioned to grow and protect your legacy, no matter what happens in the broader economy. As you can see, rolling over your 401k into an IRA can be a smart move to improve growth and get better control over your retirement savings. And if you're really looking to take that extra step towards securing your wealth, I highly encourage you to explore a gold IRA. For those of you with 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 million plus in savings, a gold IRA could be a perfect way to protect your wealth and keep it growing. So, don't wait. Check the first link in the description below for a free gold IRA guide that shows you exactly how thousands of Americans are doing it. If you're serious about securing your wealth and protecting your future, now is the time to take action. Click the link below to learn more.